Hey, how's it going out there, folks? Welcome back here to a Sunday. It is Sunday, March, I believe it's the 23rd, if I remember right. How's everyone enjoying their weekend out here? I'm en route back to the home base, to the Earthmaster base station there, just outside of Chico, California. As you can see there on the map, we're just outside the San Andreas Fault here. Literally right around the Parkfield segment of the San Andreas Fault. Earlier this morning, we crossed over the southern branch of the San Andreas Fault there. I took Interstate 10 all the way there from Texas down to Southern California. What a ride, let me tell you. It's almost better to fly out here, but I decided to drive simply because of the incidents that have been taking place there with the commercial airliners recently. Anyway, no big earthquake activity to note down there in Southern California, although a 2.6 earthquake coming in here fairly recent. Looks like just within the last 10 minutes, a 2.6 around the San Bernardino area of California. That is just right around the San Andreas Fault there on the Pacific side of the plate boundary. Earlier, a 2.4. That was from yesterday. So got to watch the San Andreas Fault. It's been definitely showing some activity here recently with earthquake activity in and around it on both sides of the plate boundary. Yeah, so, got to be on guard. Plus, a lot of activity stirring up in Alaska once again. Got, looks like another 4.4 earthquake coming in today. That earthquake, somewhat deep there, about 25 miles deep, not super deep. That's in an area that has seen a lot of earthquake activity here recently. With they've had a 5.7 and even a 6.2 here a number of days ago. I still think we could see some larger earthquake activity happening there pretty soon, just because of the way things are, the way they're behaving out there, so to speak. 4.2 earthquake. Look at this one right here. Goodness, that is way up north and way deep. 4.2, 304 miles deep there for that earthquake. Man, I'm not even certain which subduction zone that's associated with, because we do have the Kuril-Kamchatka over here on the green plate boundary line. Either way, that's a super deep earthquake striking out there this morning. A lot of activity across the northern edge of the Pacific plate, and of course quite a bit of movement here across the west coast is noted. Nevada getting a little bit of activity. Texas area outside of Pecos, Texas. Went through there, pretty close to the Pecos, Texas area yesterday. I've been driving for quite a while. Took a little nap last night on the San Andreas Fault. Believe it or not, I pulled over and slept for a couple hours, literally right around the Desert Hot Springs area, which is pretty much right smack dab on the southern branch of the San Andreas Fault. I'm here, so nothing bad happened last night. That is good, but we're en route to home. I got a couple more hours to go before we make it back to the Earthmaster office here, where I'll do a complete update on the activities here in the last 24 hours soon as I get home. As far as space weather activity goes, there's not a whole lot going on. They were forecasting here a G3 class storm, right? That was supposed to kick up last night. Well, that never materialized. Seems like we get space weather events when we don't forecast it, and when they do forecast it, we don't get space weather events. So, go figure. Anyway, nothing major going on for now in terms of space weather activity. No major solar flares. And for that G3 class storm that was forecasted, again, it never materialized there, as you can see on the KP index. So we'll continue to watch it. I got Missy Mimi's driving out here right now, taking a little break. Say hi, Missy Mimi's.
How's it going, guys?
She's a little nervous here on the freeway, but she's doing all right. Anyway, have a good one, folks. We will catch you guys out here a little bit later on this evening for a complete home earthquake report as soon as I get home. If that makes sense. All right. I'm working on a couple hours of sleep. Have a good one, guys. We'll see you later.
Have a good night, guys. Or day.
It's night, not nighttime yet. Daytime. It's morning time, actually.
It feels like nighttime.
All right, guys. See you later.